Hi guys, happy Monday.
Good morning and welcome to our catch-up.
Catch-up. So we are in Paris, well, just a little bit south of Paris, and this week we're gonna chat about coming back to the old continent and driving south, living after 6. Yeah, Ziggy, you want to be in the video as well. Yeah.
He just needs... Come on.
Come on.
Oh, I like the church bells.
We're gonna chat about our way back to the old continent after 6 months between Ireland, Scotland and England. What an amazing summer we had. And some tips. We're now just outside the laundromat, so we have a huge load of laundry to do. So just some tips from us about doing laundry while traveling, and much more right now. I'm Armando.
I'm Mal. This is Ziggy.
That's our home.
And welcome to our...
Weekly catch-up. Le Wi-Fi, le McDo. There's a salesman that travel in the night with his car in a countryside road. Everything is absolutely dark, and at some point boom, oh my god. So he stopped and he looked under the car and he realized he killed a cat. Oh my god, what did I do? He tried to find somebody around, but he just saw just a tiny light in distance, so he put the cat on the passenger seat and he started the car, started driving towards the light, and he stopped to a farm and he knocked on the door, and an old lady, "What do you want?" "I'm sorry madam, I think I killed your cat." "How does it look?" No, before."
It's so bad it's good.
Yeah, that's the way we want to cheer up your Monday morning. So many things happen. Well, we were back in Europe, back in the old continent, in Paris, where we pretty much stay for a week, but we're gonna chat about that a little bit later in the video. First of all, we're outside a laundromat, so our tips for laundry: laverie
libre service.
So our tip, I would say there's two type of laundromat that we use usually in during our travel. One like this, that it's indoor one, so it's like a shop, and usually they have
An attendant or somebody.
no, well, not all of them, but they have opening and closing time. So this one was from 7 in the morning till 22 in the evening.
Good.
Okay. Click. Usually we bring our own soap, and the good advice, yeah, that's the powder, but the good advice is buy a bottle with liquid because it's more simple. Well, yeah, but these usually the one that are indoor, they also have, like here, the machine, you can put paper or coins, so you don't have to find coins somewhere else. And they also sell powder that it's 50 cents. So now we pay 9 kilos for a huge laundry, 20 kilos plus
9 euros, not kilos.
Yeah, 9 euros for 20 kilos.
Yes.
And then the dryer, so they have 4 dryer, and what I will do, so it's 1 euro for 8 minutes, and 8 minutes it's not enough. Usually we do like at least 20 minutes, but I will divide
And conquer.
and I will divide all the load probably in 2 separates, because for some of our things they just dry faster, and some other just, yeah. And the other type that, for example, we found in Portugal, it's the outdoor one, mainly just outside supermarkets.
Yeah.
I think was 4 euro. Also in Ireland we found one, 4 euro the small, and 8 euro the big laundry, 16 kilos. You will need coins because usually they don't have the machine that accepts paper, but you don't need to put the soap. Everything is automatic.
Yeah,
so
it's
you
got
just
everything.
pay and select your type of program and the temperature, and just press the button, and here
You're
we go.
good to go.
There's a sailman from Montana. So let's visually see what happened during this week.
Ziggy met a goat named Arabella, and they didn't
Bond.
exactly hit it off immediately, but
Oh, they have the same color.
they look exactly the same, only, you know, different sizes.
The second one is explain what we did for a week in Paris. So a friend of mine, Veronica, she's an artist from Bulgaria, organized a land art installation. And this is the picture I took from the drone. So the installation is a football field for 4 teams, 4 goals, but just 1 ball. And the people actually played.
The last photo is from a park in Paris, and everybody was relaxing. It was a super sunny day, and I took a photo of a man on a bench.
Let's go with the let's do the brum, 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 brum. Time for the ketchup. So
Time for the ketchup.
time for the ketchup. Say it again.
Time for the ketchup. Okay.
So we left the UK. We left after 6 months touring Ireland, beautiful Scotland, beautiful England, beautiful Cornwall, with the small part that we were able to see.
Beautiful garage.
Yeah, beautiful garage. Beautiful new head for Mark. And yes, by the way, Mark is golden now. Everything
He's
is
tip
going.
top.
So we took the ferry, and we arrived in Dieppe. It's a small town in north of France, and then we pretty much drove all day
Straight through.
And we stopped for the week all around Cergy-Pontoise. It's a small town 30 kilometers north of Paris, where my friend Veronica actually teaches in 2 stadiums the art installation. As well, I had the job to do 6 videos of interesting and cool places in Paris, in the Marais, the neighborhoods. We drove twice in Paris, and guys, that's mental. It took the first day, it took 2 hours to go there. It's really stressful. There's a lot of traffic, and you can't avoid it because you can try some other ways, but there's always traffic. The day after, I thought, well, let's see if there's any kind of highway, even if we pay a little bit. We took the A14. It was a little bit faster because go under Paris from, I think, La Défense. It's the new neighborhoods with all the skyscrapers.
But it still took about 2 hours.
It took 2 hours, and they also took from our wallet €16.20, and I was like, what? So yeah, so I think that it was a great week, sunny, still hot day like Asian summer. The only downside was going twice and coming back to and from Paris. It's driving, it's now, I don't know. I'm kind of, we talk about people do that every day. I don't know, I will buy a gun probably if I have to do that every day and just, you know, make it happen.
Yeah, but it was definitely exhausting. So props to you guys that drive every day.
Yeah. And a funny thing, so while I was going around the neighborhood of Les Marais, finding the nice shops, Mel was in the van with the curtains, and somebody tried to sneak in. So
the passenger door.
That fortunately it doesn't work very well, so you really have to pull. Well,
you have to yank it.
Yeah, so yeah, that's a good thing that our door doesn't work so well. That's always a good side. But the thing is, that's why we decide to go back to Cergy-Pontoise for the night, even if I have to drive 2 hours, because... And it's not about Paris, could be Paris like any other huge town. We try to avoid also because of safety. There's too many people around, and
we've got a lot of stuff that is just begging to be stolen, kind of thing.
And in these too many people, you always can find somebody that will take the chance to try to grab something from the van. Let's see the checkup.
And time for the catch-up.
So what we're gonna do after here, today I will see my nephew and my niece that are actually French, well, half French, half Italian. Thank God they have the half Italian part. And we're gonna drive south, so we'll take probably 4 or 5 days. We're gonna stop in Grenoble, where we're gonna visit again Serial Combi, and yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway next week.
I think so, yeah.
And as well, we're gonna meet for the second time for me, for the first time for Mel, an Italian and American Montana couple. What the odds? So
yeah.
It's not us, I mean it's other people, but still, yeah. So they're some friend of us, and we're gonna meet them and then continue straight to the Alps and to Italy. Okay.
So just very quickly, I'd like to say hello to Jeff, Danny, BJ, Shar. Goodness, I'm forgetting somebody.
Me.
From back home, sweetie.
Okay. Well, I'm home.
Yeah. And also, we still want to say hello, Darren.
Hello.
Oh, don't do the nipple thing.
No, it's the t-shirt things. It's not any... She always thinks about sex. God.
Oh, goodness. Really?
Yeah.
And we want to say hi to Auntie Eva and Auntie Lydia.
Yeah, well, Auntie Lydia, we're going to see her soon. Yeah, that's a lot of
hellos. All right.
But music for the roads. Well, maybe also not for the road.
Well, I had to write down his name.
Okay.
So one of my favorite songs that we've been listening to on the road for at least 2 years is by Ronel Karen. We'll put the link down below. And the song is called Relax, but he's got a lot of other tunes that are fantastic.
Relax, don't do it.
No, not that relax.
And my choice, it's not a band, it's an ensemble.
Yeah.
For contemporary music, their name is Penguin Cafe Orchestra, and the album is When in Rome. I really love that album because it's super positive. It gives kind of nice energy, especially when I was, well, younger and I have to draw. I was the perfect music for a nice Monday morning. Yeah, if you have to drive 2 hours to go to work, just find these music. I will put a couple links, well, the link from the album down in the description, and yeah, you can be stuck in the traffic but still like with some kind of positive thinking. And
we love music, so please feel free to share your favorite road tunes in the comments below. That's it for this week.
So before to leave, I would like to show you these short drone footage. It's Darren driving his beast, a MAN trucks that I actually drove.
I was gonna say, it wasn't Darren driving, you were driving.
No, the drone shot was Darren driving, but I did try that one. It's a 4x4, and Darren said, yeah, go up the hill, and was like 60%.
In the middle of a field, like...
gosh, I had a little bit of adrenaline and then, oh yeah, now turn and go down. That was really amazing, and that's how daring drive. So enjoy that. And yeah, that's it for this week.
Yep. Thank you for catching up with our catch-up.
And mustard.